Welcome to Email Online tutorial, and before us is this Maths NECO 2025 objective question 1. We are told to evaluate now 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2 all divided by 4 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 1 all over 4. And here are the options given. Now let us evaluate to see which of these options is correct. Okay, now let's start with all we need to do is to change the improper fraction here, the mixed fraction here into improper fraction. Okay, so how do we go about it? First of all, changing this to improper fraction, multiply the numerator by the whole number, then add it with the numerator. Okay, so let us start with that. Now 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, we have what? 9. So here you have 9 all over 4, then plus here 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, you have 7. So here you have 7 all over 2. Now all divided by, now let's move to the denominator here. Now 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, that will be 9. Take note, all over 2, then minus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, that will be 9. So here you have 9 all over what? 4. Okay. Now to better help us to simplify this further, what we need to do here is, since we have a denominator of 4 here, and here we have a denominator of 2, let us find a way to make this 4. And how do we do that? Is to multiply both sides, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Okay, the same thing here, we have to multiply here by 2, here by 2. Okay, to this end we have 9 all over 4, then plus 7 times 2, that will be 14, then all over 2 times 2 here, that will give us what? 4. Then here 2 times 9, that will give us what? 18. All over 2 times 2 here will give us what? 4. Then minus, here we have 9, then all over 4. Okay, now that we've achieved the same denominator, then we can further, add and subtract the numerator directly. So this will give us 9 plus 14 will give us 23 all over 4, all divided by, here we have 18 minus 9, that will give us what? 9, then all divided by what? 4. Okay, so 23 all over 4 all divided by 9 all over what? 4 is the same thing as saying 23 all over 4 divided by 9 all over what? 4. Okay, now for us to change this into multiplication, what we just need to do is to flip this side of the fraction. Okay, by doing that we have 23 all over 4, then times 4 all over what? 9. Okay, so in this case now we can just divide this, so we are left with what? 23 all over 9. Okay, now this is still an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we don't need to do now is to change it into what? Mixed fraction. Now the first thing we just need to do is to find a factor of 9 that you can get. Okay, in 23 is 18. So you will now have 18 now plus deduct 18 from here, we have 5, then all over 9. Okay, so this will further break it down to us as 18 all over 9, then plus 5 all over what? 9. 18 divided by 9, that will be 2. You have what? 2 plus 5 all over 9, giving us 2 whole number 5 all over 9 as the final answer. D is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you.